Now you come to the line. When after formation of the battery, we need to put out the first acid out of the battery, because the first acid in the battery, after their formation, it will include some small pieces of lead and other unnecessary pieces in it. We need to pull out the first acid out of the battery and injection for the second time to make sure the acid is fresh and useful. After this processing, we will come to the next step. The next step, you will see in here, we will recheck the level, acid level of each battery. If it is not performed, then we will do another process. And after that, we will recheck and check again to perform the battery well and to make sure the acid is just the input acid in what it needs. After this processing, we come to the clean and drying process. The cleaning and drying is also important. And the lead heat sealing is coming. We use the heat sealing machine, the sealing surface of the PP cover, and lead unmelted and seal it together at pressure and cooling for a certain time. Now we come to the cleaning and drying process. Apply alkaline water and clean water in a cleaning machine to wash the residual acid and foreign matter on the surface of the battery. Then dry the water on the surface of the battery by the air dryer. It is all automatically. When the battery comes out, it is totally fresh and very clean.